Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Wednesday, March 11th. What do we see here in the Russell? Well, we see what I call indecision. We see a market in a neutral zone trade. The bias is for a rally. But can the buyers get it done? And do they have a reason to get it done? Now, we've got some fundamentals still coming out this week that could really stimulate this market. So if you're on the long side, be cautious in that market. And when we think about the dollar, we're seeing a mixed bag. These currencies are trying to firm up against the dollar. This is the British pound. So again, it's indecision. It's that neutral zone type trade. The bias is for a stronger currency and a weaker dollar is what we're looking for in that market. And when it comes to gold, it's getting stronger, but follow through the next 2 days are going to be so important. And we are looking for new highs on Wednesday. When it comes to silver, it's in the same boat as gold. That's the behavior we're looking for, and that's follow through. It's a step in the right direction, but we're not out of the woods yet when it comes to that market. And let's take a look at nat gas. Here's a market that it's so important when it comes to the agriculture markets. It's used in producing fertilizer. And we're getting into a planting season, and we're not seeing the shipments coming from Qatar, for example, one of the major producers of nat gas. But in the United States, we're the largest producer of nat gas, so we have supply. Remember, right now in the energy market, it's not a supply issue yet, but that potential is still weighing out there. Well, let's take a look at what's happening with beans. Also broke lower, finding buyers. The expectation, the uncertainty is what we're seeing playing out here in the soybean market. Further movement to the upside, that's what we're looking for on Wednesday. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for sharing your day with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.